Do you want to improve your gut health and reduce your mental fatigue? You have to start with what's going in your mouth each and every day. And how about these chocolate chunk cookies? You can have things that taste good and are gut friendly and good for your brain as well when you start with the right foods. And it's much more simple than you think. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then in our mixing bowl, add a 1/4 cup bone broth, half a cup protein powder or 3/4 cup for both, a 1/3 cup coconut flour, 2 tablespoons psyllium husk powder, half a teaspoon each baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then whisk together thoroughly. Then the good stuff. Today I'm using an unsweetened Carob bar that I've cut up, but you can use chocolate chips or cut up bars as well, just as long as it's unsweetened, and mix it in. Then let's go to our mixing bowl and add 3/4 cup grass-fed butter, room temperature, 1/3 cup brown allulose, half a cup powdered monk fruit allulose, 1½ teaspoons vanilla, 2 large eggs, and then the good stuff, 2 drops ginger essential oil and 2 drops copaiba essential oil. These are optional, but these are what boosts your metabolism and your gut health. Now put the lid on and stir it all together. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients. And again, mix it until it is well combined. Now on a parchment lined sheet pan, place those 1½ inch balls and make sure that you're spreading them apart, as you can see. Then, if desired, flatten them just lightly. Now bake for 9 minutes and you have a high protein, low carb chocolate chip cookie that's good for your gut and brain too. If you'd like to improve brain clarity and digestion, look for the free assessment in the comments, ask your questions, and give this a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching.